back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead. This one is kind of rare, and again, it's one of those that does not require any actual experience. We will not waste any time. We will dive on in. If you're interested in applying, just know the links are in the YouTube description box below. But big pharmacy and healthcare retailer CVS Health is hiring a data entry operator. Now, this is a fully remote within the United States. The pay for this job is anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $27.90 an hour. That is a big pay range for a job that does not actually require any actual experience. So they are looking for someone to provide support services such as document imaging, data entry, administrative support for stateside and oversized mail. You'll make sure behind the scenes business activities are running smoothly on a daily basis. They are, get this, looking for someone, high school diploma or GED, someone who has a basic understanding of Microsoft Office programs, Word, Excel, Outlook, all of those things, somebody who can work both independently and as a team, someone who has strong attention to detail, who can be customer focused, who has great organizational skills. That's it. That's it. No actual experience is required, so get those applications in. So I just wanted to quickly share this one, but if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave anything in the comments that you're looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. And I promise I have some customer service jobs coming up. Not everybody wants a data entry or in the healthcare field, but I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.